The lip range comes in 12 different shades. It goes from a pinkish nude into a coral, into a bold red, into a vintage red. The Manish Malhotra collection of lipsticks are very creamy, glossy. I wouldn't say they're very glossy, they're not very creamy, they're in between. The best is to use it directly. If you're not an artist, you don't need to use a lip brush. Use it directly on your lip and you press it in. So for Caviar, I wanted to create a statement and finishing off with the bold lip. A deep red, maroonish, and Manish Malhotra came up with a very nice lip color, vintage wine. So as you can see, it's a very nice, deep maroonish red, and I think it really went with this look. If you use a lip liner, and if you especially use the Manish Malhotra lipsticks collection, I would line the lips, and I also would use the lip pencil to cover the whole lip, to fill it out, and then use the lipstick on top of it. Just to give it a little bit more coverage, because it's so creamy and glossy, it just wears off faster, I would say, and then some people, you might eat it or you might do something with your drink, so it stays longer and you have more coverage.